How to apply for PSLF, Public Service Loan Forgiveness. Imagine working in a job you love, knowing that after 10 years of making the right payments, your student loans could be wiped clean. Sounds good, right? Well, that's what public service loan forgiveness is all about. But how do you actually get started? Let's walk through the steps together so you can see what's involved. First, you need to check if your loans qualify. Only federal direct loans are eligible for PSLF. If you have other types of federal loans, like federal family education loans or Perkins loans, you'll need to combine them into a direct consolidation loan. Also, your employer has to be a government agency or a nonprofit organization that qualifies under the program. Next, use the PSLF Help tool on the Federal Student Aid website. This tool guides you through the process, helps verify your eligibility, and shows you which forms you need to fill out. It's a handy step to make sure you're on the right track. Then, you'll need to fill out the PSLF form, which is called the Employment Certification Form. You'll provide details about your job and your loans. Your employer must sign this form to confirm you worked full-time for a qualifying organization during the payment periods. Keep copies of all documents for your records. Once your employment is certified, you must make 120 qualifying payments. These payments need to be made on time, in full, under a qualifying repayment plan, like an income-driven plan or the standard 10-year plan. Payments made after October 1, 2007 count toward the total. After completing all 120 payments, you can submit the PSLF application for forgiveness. You can do this through the PSLF Help tool or by mailing the form directly to the loan servicer. Be sure to double-check that all information is correct before submitting. It's a good idea to recertify your employment and submit the PSLF form every year or whenever you change jobs. This keeps your records up to date and helps avoid delays. Remember, the forgiven amount is tax-free, which is a big plus. If you have non-direct loans, consider consolidating them into a direct consolidation loan. But keep in mind, this resets your qualifying payment count to 0, so plan accordingly. Also, sticking to the correct repayment plan and submitting accurate employer certification forms is key to success. Following these steps carefully and using the resources provided by the Federal Student Aid website will help you navigate the process smoothly. With patience and organization, you'll be on your way to student loan forgiveness after a decade of public service.